Find out how many electric cars BYD plans to install in Cambodia. BYD plans to open an electric car assembly plant in Cambodia with a capacity of 20,000 vehicles per year to supply the domestic market and export to international markets. This is according to the publication of the Samdech Hun Manet Park after the meeting between the President and Mr. Liu Xueliang, General Director of BYD Asia Pacific Auto Sales Division on the morning of July 15, 2024. BYD Asia Pacific Auto Sales Division was established in 1995 and is headquartered in Shenzhen, China. By 2022, BYD will have produced 3 million vehicles and has branches in 70 countries. In Asia, BYD has car manufacturing and assembly plants in China, Thailand, India, and Indonesia. According to electric vehicle registration figures for the first 6 months of 2024, BYD had 658 vehicles, 261 Toyotas and 186 Teslas, among others. This is according to the publication of the Ministry of Public Works and Transport on July 9, 2024. According to the document of the National Policy on Development of Electric Vehicles 2024 to 2030, 887 electric vehicles were registered as of February 2024. There are 906 tourist cars, 415 tricycles, and 566 motorcycles. As of the beginning of 2024, there are 21 power stations with a total of 27 high-speed electric vehicles. At the same time, Cambodia has the ability to produce simple components for general vehicles. In fact, Cambodia has a local assembly industry such as wiring and tires to supply the car assembly industry in the region. Based on this industry, Cambodia can seize the important opportunity to connect the global electric vehicle chain, which is expected to increase by 2030. At the same time, as most electric vehicle components are more complex, moderately complex, and lighter than conventional components, Cambodia may be able to compete for cost for the production of electric vehicle components in Cambodia in the coming decades. Through this national policy, Cambodia has set a target for 2030 to achieve a total registration of 30,000 electric vehicles, of which 25,000 are private cars and 25,000 are electric vehicles. There are 5,000 commercial cars, a total of 720,000 pure electric motorcycles and 20,000 pure electric tricycles.